You find this on Samsung USB drives. It's a remote update file for the drive's firmware. You cannot open it, the drive reads it automatically. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain its job. Let's take a preventative approach first. A universal viewer can often read a RUF file even if its header is corrupt. Stay tuned for more info on my specific software suggestion. A RUF file is associated with Samsung Blu-ray players and Procheck software. It typically contains firmware updates for the Blu-ray player, enabling new features, bug fixes, and improved performance. RUF files may also be used by Procheck, a software tool for testing and verifying the functionality of electronic devices, potentially containing test scripts or configuration data. The RUF file format is proprietary to Samsung and Procheck. Firmware updates within RUF files are designed to be applied through specific update mechanisms provided by Samsung Blu-ray players. Procheck RUF files likely contain structured data or scripts interpreted by the Procheck software. Attempting to open or modify RUF files without the appropriate tools can lead to device malfunction or data corruption. Windows registers the RUF file as an opener for Windows built-in USB drive software developed by Microsoft Corporation. Native Windows association often leads to errors due to the file's complexity and proprietary format. Windows has limited support for data structures, so proper viewing depends on matching tools. We are testing the limits of your installed programs. Right-click the RUF file and select Open With. Test Windows built-in USB drive software first. If it fails, select another application. Compatibility is not always straightforward. If the RUF file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. We've isolated the failure to one of 3 common causes. Here's a concise breakdown of the most likely culprits and the specific action required to check them. First, use associated program. Determine the associated program, e.g. Windows USB utility, firmware updater, that created the RUF file. Next, use update utility. Use the device's firmware update utility, usually built into the device's software, and select the RUF file to perform the update. Finally, check digital signature. If the device rejects the file is corrupted. Re-download the file directly from the manufacturer. When standard associations break, it's typically because the RUF label is being used by an uncommon or proprietary application. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your RUF file were unsuccessful, you need the format agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. Thanks for hanging out until the end. Head down to the comments if you need anything else, and remember to subscribe to keep these fixes coming.